Truck number 2 is finished, ladies and gentlemen. Inside only. Truck number 2 is finished. Inside only. This is a Kenwood. The other one was a Volvo. We on location, folks.